Yeah, buddy is so boomer. But it is what it is. It is what it fucking is, huh? What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Mansoor, what's up? Proprietary, what's up? What's going on, brothers? Welcome to the Market Monkey Incorporation. Another day in the office, my friends. We don't stop, we never stop. We have a mission, and a mission that we need to complete. That's what it is. I think I fixed this. Alright. Ashton Reef. What's up, my brother from another mother? What are we doing? Actually, to be honest, I'm not vibing the music. I'm not vibing the music. We need vibing music. Electronic, maybe. I've been thinking. Went to the gym, not the best day today, but these days happen. It's not a good day today. It's not the worst, not the best. Doesn't really matter. We need to show up every day. And if you show up every day, you keep the doctor and brokenness away. What is going on here? By the way, guys, for the people who are not yet subscribed, hey, consider subscribing to this beautiful channel. We're gonna do some cool stuff here. We're first gonna build this terminal and actually see if it runs. And I'm gonna do some trading. Something's going on with the heat maps right now. Because yeah, I need to fix some stuff, huh? Look at that. Oh man, look. They're way too What's going on here? Why can't I not? Anyway, it doesn't really matter. Actually, to be honest, what are the other coins doing here? Layouts, Binance. I don't know, maybe XRP or something. Same shenanigans. No, it's not. Anyway, some stuff is broken, but it's fine. I'm gonna do some trading challenges as well with the same terminal, so I can show you guys how things work, how different algorithms can work and all that stuff to play the markets, you know what I mean, instead of all these fucking noobs on the internet. Alright. Okay. The thing we're gonna fix is actually the layer display. This thing. What I want basically, if you actually hover over these candles, and it snaps, right? I want to show the correct values of the candles. Unless you have none, then it selects the last one. I think that's the play. Do you get more viewers on YouTube or Twitch? YouTube. YouTube, brother. Alright. The thing is that if I actually... Oh, it's fine. I'll only listen to the coins that the user needs. So if you have 20 charts open, what's going on my screen? Yeah, I know something's going on with the heat map. What the hell is this, man? I was playing around with all the settings, so I can actually open up some charts here, you know what I mean? So basically, for each panel, each widget is gonna subscribe to the correct feed to get what's going on with each map, to get the current things in, you know. All right, layer display. So what I want to actually try. Happy streaming, Baba the Gogo. Thank you so much, my friend. Is this a bitten or a lip? It's a bitten, a bitten. So the layer widget actually calls stringer on the layer, and the OHLC, which is the candles, and the line chart, and the footprints and all that stuff gonna be rendered in this one. But we're gonna have something nice called string. Yeah, so that was what I was thinking. So you see, the problem with this is if I make it big enough, you see that it cannot know the correct size up front. Man, this order thing, I'm gonna actually I'm gonna reset my database here real quick. Rip all the candles. Ooh, ooh. Normally heat map should be way better now. Something is wrong with the order book. You see, this is exactly what we want, right? This is exactly what we want. Like the exact correct amount of levels just being printed on your fucking face. Amazing, right? What is it gonna be? 70k Bitcoin in here? I mean 70? 50, 60, you see? I'm the market predictor. Alright, so these candles, how are we gonna do this? We need to fix a lot of stuff in this thing. We need to have the current index under the mouse. Current index under the mouse. How do we do that? I think a good place to start is going to do something in update, I guess. And then we do something here. Do we want to check it all the time? Did you figure out the WASM issues on the new Go version? Yeah, it's just like, I need to check. We can try it later on. It's just a bad WASM file. The WASM.js file. Yeah. Ask Mansoor. He knows everything about it. My team is on the case. My team is on the case. Actually, it's not this one. Where do I get the mouse? I think in charts. Mouse. A bit in cursor position. That's what I want. That's showing this. We don't need this one, right? What does it return here? Integer. But that's actually alt charts get bar index for the Unix. Get bar x. Okay, these three functions are interesting. How can I have? I actually have no clue how I can do this. It should be simple. Get time at X, is that a thing? $64, man. 64 can blind type. It's gonna return a time at X, right? It's gonna be a T. Why is this actually returning a float? T? As float? This is a little bit weird, not gonna lie. That's a little bit weird. Why don't we have only one candle? Feasible. Is my mouse like... Doesn't work. It does work. I don't use it. I should use it. Time scale. Old Barbit. Why is it not storing anything? What the fuck is this? Password authentication failed. I'm confused. It doesn't really fucking matter. Shit. How's 6 gonna be? Godverdomme. GoGod is angry. But the DB hacked, it's a local Docker container, so it's nothing to do with hacked. It's just like, I don't fucking know. It's a bad day today, brothers. So what do we do here on mouse move? We actually get this position and then. Why don't we use get time at X? Oh wait, we do that. And we snap it. Yeah, we snap to the tick size, huh? Ah, local, I see. Yeah. Let's snap text. What the hell is this allemaal? I have no clue. But we will figure it out, huh? What's rect? Okay, here. Snapped X. But that's gonna be. This is the button. That's actually what we want. Something is wrong with Z. You see? A bug. No, this is no, not real app anymore. Man, can we just get some auto in? Oh wait, it does this. It makes no fucking sense what's going on here. It makes no fucking sense. But this uses snap X. Get time at X. Now we add that here, okay, sure. But that doesn't make sense, right? All these annoying things I don't want to do alone, so I do it with you guys. But why is this rounded button next so huge? That makes no sense. It makes no sense to have like 6 here. Why is it so warm in here, man? I know you like Go, but have you downloaded during the language? Every language is the same. Again, I always say that. If you use C++, Rust, Go, Python, it's all the same. You can build the exact same things with every single language, and everyone that tells you that's not, they're just they're nobodies, right? They are just people working at a company. They're nobodies. They didn't do anything in their life. They built nothing. If they built nothing in their free time, if they built not something huge, something that people use, something that's tangible, why would you listen to these motherfuckers? You pick a language, which one you like, which one you're the best in, you pick that language and you start writing your stuff. And that's it. That's the only thing that matters. But if you keep, oh, I want to use this language because SoyDev A uses that. Oh no, I need to use this language because SoyDev B tells me this. SoyDevs need to keep their mouth shut. First they need to walk, and then they can talk. Right? You need to do what you want, brother. It's your life. There are people that basically make shitty games in Rust and in C++, and there are people that make great games in Python. You know? So what do you want to play? Do you want to play a shitty game that is written in Rust or C++? Or do you want to write a good game that is written in JavaScript or Python? What do you want? That's the question. Okay, I need to find the fucking bar index under the mouse cursor. How hard can this be? That's the question. The thing is that this MX needs to be converted to bar width, bar offset. That should give me an index. But the thing is that, do we use the same mechanic in timescale? Timescale, where do we draw this? Ah. Convert the screen X to bar indices! TS gets widget. Yeah, that's the same thing. It's the same thing. Same thing. What's going on? No new variables. We only have rect. We get the bar offset of the chart, plus the minix, rect minix. That's the same variable, motherfucker. Wait, I'm confused. Same variable. Okay, don't touch it. Don't touch things that work. TS chart, L chart, bar width. Convert screens. So why is this the min? Ah, this is the minimum bar. But this is, you see, this is actually the same mechanic we use here. It's just different. Because if you rewrite this, you're gonna end up with l.chart.bar offset, right? And you're gonna plus this, plus the min. In this case, that would be the mx minus direct min, and then you divide that by the bar width. You see, this is the exact same, right? That's how you get a bar offset. It's the same functions. Min bar, old bar index. For some fucking reason. Why do I get this? But that's just like a winner. The thing is that these things work in the other layer, so I don't understand. But we it's local screen the mouse, yeah, it's fine. Yeah, we need to have this fucking float, man. Maybe it's just a notation. I don't know, man. Like, I have a bad day. I'm gonna lie. Fucking truncate this fucking bullshit, man. I'm not a good programmer. I am. I realized this the past month. I suck at programming so fucking hard. It's crazy. How did I come up in my life so far? I don't understand. I don't understand. What the fuck is this? That's gonna happen each time we... Wait, please, can we actually stop printing? Yes. Actually... I feel so them starting cursor. Yeah, that's really not a good idea sometimes. Okay, it does the same thing. Okay, it's just like a representation. Should be good. Index out of bounds, 100%. It's a ring buffer. It's a ring buffer. It's gonna be somewhere. Go out of bounds. Is that you look at programming on math? It's like I'm getting. Okay, let me quickly think. The problem is on stream is so annoying. It's either gonna work or it's not gonna work, and it's not gonna work. You need to think about it, but then you need to read the chat and all that stuff. It's just. The thing is that I wrote this fucking code so long ago, this scale code, so I actually have no clue how I did this. And then of course you put it into AI, and then AI spits things out, and you just accept it as it is. And then at a certain point of time, you come back, you have no clue how it works. But the weird thing is, the weird thing is that if you check chart and you go to crosshair, I remember this. You basically do the same thing. You do the same thing because this snapped X, you snap to a bar index, and that works very well. You see? This works very well. The only problem is there are two things. You have local screen and global screen. And that's something that is just one calculation away from problem. Because I use like... I'm never gonna use open source. It's like all these open source, they make something and they cannot reply and there is nobody active, and that's why open source sucks, right? You should always ask money for what you make, because otherwise people ending up abandoning it, and then you're using it, you have a question, nobody answers because they're not getting paid. It's open source is the cause of all evil. It should be completely, it's like, and then you have like users and they come, you need to open source it, they come to your open source repo, they pick the code, they don't follow you, they don't say thank you, they don't give a shout out, they don't do nothing. They don't donate, they just see your code where you worked like months and months and months on, they pick it, they go away, and you never hear about them. And then they are asking, hey, why is it not maintained? Yeah, why do you think so, you fucking idiot? That's why open source, I will never open source thing again. Everybody's gonna pay for every single code I make. Because otherwise... That's the thing, a button, ask a question, like 8 hours passed, nobody answers. Nobody, Discord full. Discord is full, nobody answers. I mean, why are you in a Discord then? Jesus Christus. Okay, this thing works. So basically, if I just copy this piece of block, right? And I copy it in this fucking layer. Make some space. Put that in. Delete all the fucking rest. Save this. Remove the Y because we don't care. Get the snapped X, which I have no clue what that is. It's the snapped X position. We don't need the position. We don't need the bar index because that works. Because we have a rounded bar index minus chart bar offset. But that's probably not the index we want. Right? That's not the index we want. I mean, open source is actually, it's nice, right? It's cool. You can learn so much. You learn so many good people, and it's amazing. The problem starts with how life works. You have a lot of dopamine, you work on something, life's great. At a certain point of time, 80% of the project is done, and then the 20% of bug fixes and annoying things and feature requests needs to come in. It's a very important aspect. The 20% is very important. The problem is the dopamine is gone, life has changed, the wife, the kids, World of Warcraft, a new Call of Duty, League of... you know what I mean? And then you ask yourself, yeah, I will do it maybe when I have time. Of course you have time, but you're not in the mood to do it. You earn no money, you have no obligations. Project get abandoned. I am the biggest example as a maintainer. But that's a problem because people use this package, people are relying on it, there are some questions, there is a bug. Yeah, they need to make their project, but there is a bug. So they're gonna get frustrated, like I am. But that's the price you pay. If you ask money for something, you have an obligation. You need to have accountability. It gives you motivation. Accountability is a little small business on the side. It's different. That's what I think. Okay, we have this weird thing again. Why can't I not just have a normal round number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Like, I'm bad. I don't know what this means. It's like a big number. But if you put it in here, everything works. And now we're sitting here 2 hours making one feature and my day is completely ruined. It is already ruined. But I still choose to stream and I still choose to be here. You know, because people need to see this. Life is not always fucking unicorns, man. Life sucks most of the time. And I want to be as pure as it can get. Happy, sad, annoyed, angry. I want to be every aspect. So you know me. What you see is what you get, baby. What you see is what you fucking get. And that's what a lot of people actually need to be. Instead of all these motherfucking fake ass viewer bitches. The only thing they do is create funny stupid reaction videos to get views. Fucking morons. Suffering. I'm just kidding, man. I'm just kidding. Okay. So you see, you always need to try to think for yourself. And then maybe you can... I would already basically call the AI. So I could call it a fucking day and move on with my life. The thing is, that in my mind this was simple. But the reason is this. We get the X position on the fucking screen. We convert this X minus the min. Makes a lot of sense, but wait a minute. But it's a local space as well, right? But still, we print this thing. We print this thing correctly. This bar gets perfectly drawn here. It snaps directly here. You see? It snaps like... It's the best snapper of the world, right? You see? Snap, snap, boom. Index in the middle of the index. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. So I wonder myself why, and that's this code, right? So I cannot comprehend this. Okay, this is a float bar index. We round this, which is still a float. Makes no sense. Then we do this. The X position. Okay, I see what it is. Let me think, please, guys. Let me just for one time be a real programmer, man. For one time. For one fucking time. What the hell is this? That was weird. Why? What did we clipboard? What the hell is that? No, it's a chart bar offset. Is what it is. Just bar offset. A lot of things that I don't understand here. I'm the best programmer in the world, man. Oh man, but I think you should actually do what I do and be a little bit frustrated and figure it out, because I'm not gonna lie, I'm completely honest always, right? Because it's very important for me to be honest, and I would actually already just dump some code in Claude or something and to see, okay, just correct. Yes, you're right. Okay, nice. And move on. But so you need to, and before AI, I was always doing this, like struggling for hours for a stupid thing. And you were learning so much from it. And I think that's the cause of all evil with AI. Is that it's easy, it's for grabbing, and you're going to basically fuck yourself up over time. You're gonna create cool stuff very fast and complicate. I understand. But if you do that 10 years, you're really, really, really going to get downhill, in my opinion. That's what I think. And then you're gonna end up in a cycle where AI needs to learn from worse. I don't know. So sometimes just struggle a bit, man. And now we need to... Is this the correct bar index? We have no fucking clue, right? That's something else we need to do. So now we could do something like foo is going to be alt chart candle series gets this index. Thank you, Z. We do an int, that's fine. And then we print just this candle out. You know what I mean? Okay, I'm gonna kill myself. Actually, to be honest, wait. The candle should be here somewhere. Okay, we're fucked. It's like an emotions roller coaster, man. This is like even... What the hell is this? Wait, let me actually... Can we have more candles? More. Okay, we fucked. I thought it was a simple feature, not gonna lie. What else is going on here? Oh. Wait. Wait. Did I just delete that? How did that happen? How the fuck did that happen, man? Jesus. But that doesn't actually make sense. The problem is I cannot test this because it's like... I can. But that's not gonna work because I'm gonna rescale this thing and it's broken. Yeah, that was what I was thinking. Music is a bit too high. This is better. Hannah, probably. Nice name. We're still not sure if this is working, right? And this is very dangerous to actually get. Yeah, this is super dangerous to do, right? How can I... Yeah, I should do it. I should do another trick, I know. But like I said, I don't know the trick on the top of my head, so I will do it like manually, it doesn't really matter. But I understand. I see you thinking there. I know. I would think the same. I was thinking the same. Bar under cursor, the candle is this. Is there a way? Is there a better way to do this? Candle says get. Shit. Weird conversions, isn't it? I know. Fuck. Ah, but wait. That doesn't work like that. It doesn't work like that. It doesn't work like that. Because it's a ring buffer, my friend. What the hell are you trying to do? It doesn't work like that. But still. It's gonna find something. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yes. Yeah. That's why. Yeah. I got it. It's all coming back. Yeah, mini high. It's extremely good. Yeah, I used it. Yeah. The thing is, I want to think for myself from time to time as well. I mean, like, if you watch somebody that just copy paste AI code, I mean, yeah. Sometimes you need to. It's important, man, to do this sometimes. I mean, it's not super hard. I just need to think a little bit. So the problem is we have a ring buffer DQ. So the index of the bar is not the index of the. It's not that we have. How can I explain this? Right. Let's open up Excalibur. So it's not that we have something that is called candles in the wind. Let's say these are all candles, right? And now we have a correct bar index, for example, bar index 4 on the screen. 1, 2, 3, 4. But that's not this guy. What the fuck just happened, Teach? Huh. Okay. Learn something new. It's not this one. It is that one. It's just the wrong bar offset. Because I think I converted. How is this? Why is it so hard, man? Just do a plus, you never know. In my opinion, the fastest way to do this is like, in my mind, we get the MX and we don't need to do this bullshit because we need a Unix at that point of time. That was simple. Because there is something that's called l.chart.getTime at x. You give it an x, it gives you the time. And that's t, right? That's what I would do. Get the time at x, at this position. And then you do just like a L chart get bar index, which takes a Unix, which is this t, which need to be converted to an N64. That's how I would do it. And that gives you an index. That gives you an index. Simple as it is. And we already converted this index. It doesn't really matter. Because get bar index will basically already do these calculations. And get time at x does the same fucking thing. It does the exact same thing. It does the exact same thing. It's times the okay. It does everything for you. That's what I would do. That's my first intuition. Without copying code, without AI, this is what I would do. Come back from my sleep, take a cup of coffee, open up the editor, do this. Call it a fucking day. That's what I would do. Yeah, but that's normally, wait, we need to have this, we need to have multiple candles because candles will change, right? It doesn't work! Why am I so stupid? How do you debug? I don't debug, man. I can't even write a simple program. Let's stand I debug. I will not give up! Ah! You see, I'm getting annoyed. What is this rect? Oh wait, but that's like, it makes sense. This is, it works. This works because we are here is 0, right? We are 0, and then 1, 2, 3, Makes a lot of sense. This last one works. 100%. You see? I don't know if you guys can see, but this is the beginning of the chart 0, right? But still is something wrong, because this is 0. Wait, we can do something very simple, right? But this is the first entry. We are sitting at 12. Makes sense. Makes sense? Makes sense. So, if we move this up, I miss a bar offset. That's weird. I see this bar offset word like 20,000 times in all these calculations, and still we don't take it into consideration. I am confused. Which one is the correct one? The last one, right? This index, my idea was completely broken. I don't know why. This is correct. Okay, I'm almost there. My brain can almost comprehend what's going on here. This is 0. Yes. So here we are 10. Exactly. And this 10 is this. I know that because I wrote this code myself, motherfuckers. I'm pure human. Pure human. This is his code. Look at this. Look. It's coming here. Here, bar offset minus 10. Why? We can't use bar offset. Because I set the bar off with 10, so we start the candles in the middle and not there. For the user, it makes no sense. If we do this, the candle... Yeah, but I'm changing this. Wait, I need to... 1 minute. 1 second will start there. No, it's not, huh? Why? Why do we start at minus 10? Even though I don't set, I think we have code that does this. Here, okay, I see what it is. Let's go. This is the most... I need more, I need more. Why is the minute chart doesn't do anything? No, the thing is that it's never gonna stay. It's never gonna be stale, right? It's never gonna be stale. We need these candles, but this. Wait, do we actually update this? I think it gives me 0. Makes sense. But I'm at 10. But we already minus this. Isn't it? And why don't we render anything? Okay, because yeah, it's in the range. The thing is that because this is a special buffer, it cannot be out of range. It could give us a wrong one, huh? But now we can I see if we are in a... What the fuck is this? At this point, I'm in the shishels. I'm gonna lie. It's still this weird number again. Okay. I don't understand. What is going on? What the fuck is this? That seems good. Yeah, it makes sense because why is this? The second thing is not doing anything. That's weird. It doesn't make any sense as well. It's already been taken in consideration, the bar thingy. We already took that in consideration. It's so simple. I swear to God, this is the simplest thing a human can do. I'm confused by the math being used by the different widgets that does the same thing. It's a terminal app. Why is it run? It's not a terminal app. Why would it be a terminal app? Who is telling you that it's a terminal app? Where did you read that this is being made in the TUI? Who tells you that? A trading terminal doesn't mean it's in the terminal, right? Trading terminal app doesn't mean it's in the terminal. I mean, a trading terminal helps traders make various transactions online and get connected with brokers in real time. Beginners are often confused about it works, so let's dive in. Introduction. In the rapidly evolving world of finance, trading has seen a transformative shift from its traditional roots. Gone are the days of physical stock trading, yada 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 yada. Meanwhile, we're still struggling with the simplest thing in life. So in the time scale, this is how it gets is the minimum bar and the maximum bar on the screen. By this piece of logic. It makes sense what it does here, right? It gives you the minimum X, right? So let us just be logical here, because I am confused as a motherfucker here. This is our window, which is big. The fuck is this? This is our window. This is min X, and this is maximum X, okay? What it does here, it does yada yada. It takes the min X and it subtracts this from the min X. I know, weird, but that gives 0. Okay? Then it does the maximum bar. It does the same thing, but it subtracts the maximum from the minimum. So it subtracts this from this to get this bar. Minus sub this from this gives max bar. So if I have a mouse coordinate, that's here, and it's called mx. I just copy paste this fucking line, subtract max X from this bitch, and this is what a solution. Or am I completely... or somebody needs to take away my license of a programmer? Should I be in a fucking institute or something because I'm retarded? Is that what it is? NeoVim is slow, brother. Try to format JavaScript project NeoVim. I can show you here. NeoVim is slow. Because everybody makes these Lua scripts on scripts on scripts on scripts, and at a certain point of time it's garbage. I mean, NeoVim is basically a terminal for boomers, you know? Which I am. Why would you pick like why would you hurt your eyes with the worst font rendering ever? If you can have smooth font rendering. I don't know. There are a lot of influencers here that want to use another editor, but they can't. Let that sink in. There are a lot of influencers on the internet that actually want to use another editor. They actually want to use that. But they can't. Because then they lose all their audience. And I don't give a fuck. That's the difference. But so far, you don't think so far, huh? That's not how far you think. Guys, is this correct what I'm telling you here? I'm gonna give up very soon. Man. What is this? Am I just completely... I can do rect plus. This needs to be a max, right? And this needs to be max then. I'm gonna actually... I think today is gonna be a day I actually need to stop, to be honest. Today is a day, it's not gonna... This day is not gonna work out for me, and I knew it. I knew it from the beginning. I knew it the moment I woke up. The moment I woke up. It just gives me this stupid thing again, man. Oh wait, but it could actually be... It could actually be this. That's not what I want. Wait. We did that, right? We did this, right? Oh, fucking Christ. I can't kill somebody right now, to be honest. I'll give up. I don't have time for this. We probably already typed it like 3 times, almost correct, or something like that. Next minus this. The next minus that. The problem did that thing with it. Oh yeah, the terminal thing, the coffee thingies. Yeah, but yeah, that's cool, huh? This seems the perfect thing again. Still, this bar index seems fine, right? Actually, it makes a lot of sense because this is gonna get 0. What are we talking about? What are we actually talking about? This is 0. At a certain point of time, I'm gonna get this bar, which is gonna be sitting at 10, and this sitting at 11. That makes sense, right? I think this is correct. This is correct. This bar index thing is completely correct. 100%. 100% correct. The only question rather is, how is the indexing in these buffers work? Does get the index, or does get the... It's not by bar index, right? That's the thing. This is the bar index. This is not the index of the... If you do this... Then we're gonna get the correct candle. But we have 10. So don't we actually need to do something like... Bar index. The bar index is 0. Wait a minute. So we are sitting at 10, but we're actually at 1. Right? Fucking bitches. Wait, but how can we... Here, okay. Okay, can we print something out? Still, that doesn't work, man. Even this is 100% correct what I'm just saying here. I am the most confused. Wait. I think I need to quit. Okay, wait. Whoa. But that's 10. We already did that. We already did this thing. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna get cancelled by this. I'm gonna get cancelled. I zoomed. Where is it? No, oh yes, that's the thing here. See it? It doesn't take any... But that's just... that's what I said, right? So now we are at, let's say, 10-ish. I'm trying to find it. Wait, if this is 0, that means 0 in the buffer. But this is bar index minus 10. So I need to do minus 10, and that's what I did, right? Let me actually print out the bar offset, right? The bar index is this thing. Print out. We could debug, but it takes way too long to open up a debugger and put some things and check it, and I don't know, I don't understand, I can't. The bar offsets. I'll try bar offset. And this is a candle. Okay. This should start at 10 because that's how I programmed it. So we don't start at the side. Makes no sense. This is bar offset 0, apparently. Wait, why does it suddenly work, man? This is a live candle, huh? This is no candle. Live candle gets updated live. Old candle. Here's old candle. Makes sense. But they add at the bar offset is 1. That makes no sense. The bar offset should be 10. 100%, but I don't know why it prints out these weird fucking numbers, man. What does that mean? Does it mean they need to be rounded or something? It's like, what the fuck is that? So it's actually so simple because if the... I mean, if this works, and they are here at 10. But wait, this is actually, yeah, they are here at 10. Because that's the bar offset. So I just need to minus the bar offset. That's what we did, and that didn't work. So the question rather is that because this is a weird number that I need to fix? Some kind of a floating, and makes sense if you see all these conversations. Conversions, I mean. So if I do this, which is the bar offset, and we don't do nothing, right? The moment we're gonna shift it, it's gonna work anymore. But now it should work. Here. Right? Not here. Here it works, not here. So that works. So can we then agree? If we just know what we did, then we could actually say, okay, brother, L-chart bottle set. Right? And that is the bug. I hope. You see? And this is a bug. Well, it's not a bug. It's my fault. It's my fault. It's programmed like an idiot. Because... Okay, that's not gonna be it. Could be. Right, you never know. Who knows why this chart bottle set is so weird for no reason at all. Let's figure it out. Where do you see go in 10 years? I don't know. At the bingo table. Ashton, why is this number like that? It's -10, brother.
Let me show you what I...
Ja? Dat kan. Maar ik zit aan het streamen, ik kom anders gewoon binnen en pak die in de dingen. Yo. Leave me alone. I'm checking where we set this battle set. And battle set needs to be afloat because otherwise you don't gonna have a smooth movement. But I don't understand, even if it's afloat, why is it such a weird number? That's my question. Why is that? I have no clue why that is. Like, I am not a mathematician. So I'm gonna ask this question. I'm gonna ask for a solution. I'm gonna ask this question to, what do we have here in mind? What do we have Claude here? Maybe we have. What the hell is this number, man? I know that this equation is for very small and very large numbers. This answer makes no sense. What did I do wrong? Why does everything works? I don't understand. Why just everything just works with these kind of numbers? How is this possible? Could it be that you need to set the type of the variable more specifically? I don't know. No. It cannot be. I'm getting just. That's why I could not solve it, because there is something weird going on, and I have no idea. This is not what it is. If we do this, -10, which is the bar offset, that's gonna work, right? Let's get back to the debugging phase. We are here, bar, nothing, candle, nothing, candle, nothing, candle. Perfectly. Bar index is 10, but that's fine. Bar index is 10 on the screen. But we offset our bars by 10, so we -10 basically means we are at 0. There is the bar in the candle series. That makes sense. But for some reason, bar offset is being transformed into this weird number. Why is that? We don't know. So we're gonna go to chart widget and we're gonna see here. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do this, right? I'm gonna say fmt print out. I'm gonna debug some stuff. fmt chart dot bar offset, right? How do you call that? Constructor. It's not a constructor, I know, but let me just live my life. Okay. Let's also check what happens when we get. There is no candle range. We know that. There is no candle range because the database is broken. So that means we process our tick. Candle comes in. Candle, it's not going to be it. It's going to be here. Bar offset. The last bar index, -10.
When you hear the rhythm, start to move.
I don't understand why everything just works. Okay, now we are here. Okay, cool. Okay, that was... And now we are here at 10 is -0. That doesn't make any sense because now we are here. Right? Yo. At least I'm getting a little bit familiar with how the bar indexes work and all indices work. Oh man, I think I fucked up with the pen there, but for some... The thing is that, why does everything just work here? Well, this is gonna work, but the problem is, it's not gonna work. When we pan the chart, right? You see now we are here, that's fine. Okay, pan the chart. You see? We need to add the bar offset, but the thing is... This is a float. Plus... Is it this conversion thingy? I mean... Is it plus? Did I just converted it like 20,000 times too much and now it's broken? I don't know. This bar offset is 0, brother. Wait. Why is bar offset a million? Why is bar offset 10 billion? Why? 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 Can somebody explain me that? Why this is happening? Why? It's the fucking auto scale. Probably fucking it completely up with mathematics. Of course, now we have nothing. I completely agree, and putting it to auto will also do nothing because now we have no sense of. But at least the bar offset will be 0. You know what it was? It was this calculation here. You do floats, float, float. We should actually do something like. I mean, what happened if I do just this special rounding function I use? I don't think it's gonna work. Okay. But now it's not gonna work again, right? No. Because this thing is just incredibly weird. So I mean, is it like a mad trunk or something? We are here. It's this function, and basically. Wait. What happens if I do? Somebody in the chat is smart enough to understand what's going on, or is everybody just completely retarded, just like me? It's not even a number.
Activate.
Floats. Float. Float. Float, float, floats. Float, float, floats. End to float to end to float, float, plus float, trunk, float, float. Of course you're gonna have bloat. But wait, we don't need this. We don't need this. We don't need this. We don't fucking need this. Let's do something like this. Bar offset. It's going to be... Where are we actually? We are in chart. We could do like chart dot candle series back... back Unix and get just like get bar index, get this thing, get the candle, something like this, and a float. That could not be. I mean, this is impossible, right? Okay. I don't know what's going on. So somebody needs to... We need experts here. It's impossible that nobody knows what's going on. It's overflowed. Yeah, but the thing is, why? And why does everything just works? Like, I'm confused. Like, everything just works. And we use the same logic. Right, look, perfectly snapping with the same fucking logic. Right, how is this possible? Wait, there is actually... Actually, this week I was wondering myself, like, we have this variable. I was wondering this week. Chart time. Where is start time? Here, start time. But we never use that. Well, we use that, but we don't use it. So... Now Dirk Huis, which is the smartest man on the planet right now, he comes like... The root cause is that the chart's reference start time is never initialized. That's 100%. In the code, the bar offset is computed using the function chart widget, get bar index, which uses the fucking start time, but that thing is basically non-existing, so it's going to get some kind of a Unix that doesn't make fucking sense, which is way too high. And I was thinking about this week, like, why don't I use this start time? I mean, I use it, but I don't set it. But then I was thinking, yeah, it doesn't really matter because Ghost, it will just initialize to the default one, and Unix is going to be an N64, it will be fine. But apparently it's not. This could be it. And that's why this number comes up. That doesn't make any fucking sense. Why the whole logic doesn't fucking work. And it's so nice that maybe we found a solution. Because this is a fucking bug. And it's my own fault. Nobody has to blame here. Not Golang, it's just my own fucking fault. Right? We could do... actually, start time doesn't make any... Could be anything, right? Yeah, but the offset cannot be an N64 because then you're gonna have problems in panning because you cannot pan with precision. Now we have now we have a beautiful thing, right? But now we need to do this. Godverdomme gast. This is insane, man. Oh, I will never forget that. And this is a lesson to be fucking learned for me. But wait. Something is not quite right. When the music is going... The music is off.
When I hear it coming up like that, I just know that things are gonna end bad. When my body only moves for the beat, y'all been waiting for me. I'll just keep dropping it, like there's no stopping it. Then walk with it, la 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 la. I'll just keep dropping it.
Huh? Am I just like the baddest programmer in the world? Yeah, Dirk Huis. I mean, that was the goal of this stream. The goal of this stream was to make a simple feature, which was straightforward. And eventually I was right, but all my other solution didn't work. Because let's try my first initial thought again to see if that works. And I told to myself I'm not going to use any LLM to debug. Right? Maybe it's gonna waste 2 hours of my time, but at least I struggled. And I put... actually, to be honest, I'm gonna really honest. If you did not tell me that, Dirk... You didn't solve it, right? I mean... Of course, if I would paste that into an LLM, maybe. I think actually it's gonna take me a long time because I would not think that it's gonna be that start time. This is insane. Now we have these stupid lines... So that's nice because that's a fucking annoying bug. And it doesn't actually matter. Now we can do the same thing back in chart actually, right? We can just say something like -10 if you want to start the chart. But actually, yeah, it's fine. We can do that. It's gonna work perfectly fine. Now it's gonna start basically. You see 10 offset a little bit so we don't sit at the thingy. That's fine and it's still gonna work. You see? Perfectly fine. Beautiful. Amazing, right? So yeah. Okay, the thing is that the way we actually access this to wrap it up is in unbelievable, man. Thank you so much, I'm gonna lie. This weird position, but I think we could do it just like I would say, like get time at x, mx. What do we need here? 464 MX. And I think we could do something like... Not quite sure, bar index is going to be L chart get bar index T, which should be an N64, I know. I know. It should be the same thing. I could be wrong. Okay, that's not gonna work. I see. That's weird because I should do it right. Get time at X. Get the time at position X. That's T. Put T and get bar index. Doesn't really matter. Should be. This works. That makes me questioning get time at X. It's weird that it just can't print these things. But hey. Let me see. Yeah, I see. It's gonna cause a little bit more problem here and there, I think, right now, because... But that's not a big of a deal. Yeah, we are. It's fine. We are at a good practice. It's something I remember. I remember the problem with the. Are you using any kind of package for the chart? No. It's custom. You can see that it's custom made, right? Otherwise, it would work decently. It works decently, but it's just like I want to do one more thing, one specific thing here. So the problem we are experiencing right now is a problem of missing candles, because this is the second chart, and if it not moves fast there is no trade, you're gonna miss a candle. The problem is that if you miss a candle, this index doesn't correlate to an index in the buffer, right? So that basically means, let's say this is bar, I can actually check what bar it is. For example, this is bar 33. The problem is that this bar is not. This is in the buffer, this one not. 34, 35, 36. But actually the buffer is 34. And I had the same problem way in the beginning if I made this application, where I'm rendering the candles, and each time there was a missing candle, after a certain point of time, things would not render anymore because everything was so shifted out of the screen. And this happens again. This is the same problem, but that needs to be fixed with another solution. it probably needs to do a binary search. And that's what I do here in the candle says, do a simple binary search to find the index based on the Unix in the, I think, is it? Find visible candle range. It looks to the index and it's basically gonna compare. Wait. Yeah, I was thinking this is not the function here. This is, I don't know what it does. It's generated. I have no clue. It does weird stuff. But this is actually to see if it fits in between. So how are we gonna get actually the... I don't know. Need to see. Anyway, this was like a special stream. It was pretty fun. But the main takeaway... for this is like... You can use AI to quickly solve it. The question what it is, how much did you learn from it? Right? So, something to take in consideration. This is how we programmed for a very long time. Right now it's different. Need to be a combination of both. For example, this function, this is coming from AI. I have no clue. It's a binary search. I know what it is, but it's like, I mean, I cannot, you know. Hey. Anyway, thanks for being here, guys. Check the link in the description if you want to know how it's built, if you want access to the code, if you want to support me, if you want to get insider access, you know where to find me. Text editor. This is Z, the Z text editor, not the Mitch champion, but the editor. Thank you for watching, and I'm looking forward to see you in the next one. Join the Discord. Love you.